Lapor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakabenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala Ïathuh da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills District wa Vivek im IPS. Ïathuh bah du menta ki pulit kidang persyang mentokit. Shano ka Sonam Rakhuvanshi ka bu sakawai pat ka mobile phone jongka. Ulang bahadu menta ki pulit kimpalap. Shano ka Buhrieh ki Ksiar kiksa ki baw Raja Rakhuvanshi bat maka ki deng hakapor bigli ka syasora bat ki pulit ki ngej baladalap siya kata ka way pat ka mobile phone kinlap ru siya ki Ksiar. Ulang ba ki pulit ki Meghalaya ki bdana indoor kilalit man kanraya ki yingwai basak Sonam. Handai la I kumbagi la penkenria no ikitiar budan kam syawai pat.
See, the second team is still looking for that second phone out there, because we believe that second phone is probably with the jewelry and other items which Sonam has left behind. And we were hoping that when the team goes there, and the place was locked, so the items of Sonam would be there. But it appears that it has been shifted from there by somebody, and the team is out there to ascertain who has taken it and where all these items are.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.